So, where am I now in the decision-making process by way of preparing to answer that question that was raised here sa Iloilo 2 months ago? I am preparing very hard, working very hard para maging yung pipiliin nung hanay namin as the strongest possible candidate sa 2028. At lagi kong sinasabi, isa lang. That's why I'm preparing, I'm strengthening myself. Dahil kung lumabas na ako yung pinakamalakas na pwede kong mandidato mula sa hanay namin, then kakausapin ko yung mga kaupod, yung mga kaalyado sa hanay namin. Oh, ito yung indicators na ako yung pinakamalakas. Maliho, support me. And importante na isa lang. Let's unite around the strongest one para may fighting chance tayo. And pwedeng we can make the best offer sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating mga kapwa-botante. Of all of these things we've been talking about na the future we want to expect, the future we dream about, the future that we want to create. I'm preparing and hoping and praying na ako yun.